Hello friends, today we're learning what is website and how does it work.
You are
Such
VPN
an
नहीं
internet
लोगे
is second nature of most of us every day. To answer those questions and many more, what we are understand to a new video series that is basically designing in under 60 seconds. We will be releasing a video each Wednesday. With this month of today, we are breaking down a breaks trick. Which the video below of the 1 minute summary of read or more in the depth explanation. Your website DNA. Before we dive into technological terms, consider this: humans are kind of like websites. Humans are the eyes, ears, legs, and arms, while websites have text, images, videos, and what is own web surface of property shared but it you look different humans. And websites are both governed by a code for humans or a DNA website, so it's HTML, which can handle hypertext markup language. The code uses text direction in command proper like HTML to tell your web browser to how to display web page. In the other words, HTML is a language that web browsers understand, interpret, and convert in the order to display information that is understandable due to and HTML files and these can be uploaded to a web server so any internet connected computer with the web browser can find them. CSS style. Let's talk about the style of a website. Most websites use cascading style sheets CSS to ensure proper and comprehensive style throughout your website. CSS is an intuitive shortcut that allows developers to make a change to one page and then have to rest the website update automatically. Let's say your company wants to change the colors of the website CSS it so developers can change the color palette on one page your style sheet and the rest of your page will follow suit. And if a fund does not stop there, CSS can also make multiple versions of a different website. This helps when developers are looking to make extra style sheets for mobile other operating system and more. CSS is the tool developers use to make simplified and uniform changes to a website web content management system. If you want to make the announcement of your website, schedule a meeting or an event or allow multiple users to make and edits at the same time. You don't be using HTML or CSS to allow for these web capabilities. Instead, you will use the web content management system CMS. This software organizes and delivers many types of information and keeps it all uniform in design. This includes many common features of a website like blogs, forms, wikis, calendars, and more. The best news about using a CMS you typically won't have to know HTML code to make changes to your site. Yes, it's a big package software. Everything designed with a swing which stands for the what you see in what you get. Later, this makes it possible for those will first in code to make significant updates. There's just one more item to discuss in order to understand how website work. To do that, let's return to our metaphor for website being like humans and websites both require a physical place to live. People live in houses and apartments. Websites live on servers who probably pay rent on a mortgage on your place each month, and unless you will be got on server, you will need to rent a space for your website too.